Hello, so today it's a very special occasion and I would like to share this fantastic moment with you because I actually managed to achieve a challenge that I have put to myself and we did it. This is a goal. We set a goal, we set the blueprint and we managed to do it. So what's the challenge? So the challenge was to be able to create and upload 100 videos on YouTube about a specific topic, and that topic is what I'm very interested in. It's my work, it's my passion, it's my profession, and what I love to do. And so I have decided to upload 100 videos on YouTube on this specific challenge about success coaching, and that was to be before the end of July. So, okay, I had some COVID issues and I managed to do it just right now. Finally, after all, I managed to upload for the first few months of 2022 those 100 videos and it's done. So let's see actually what I've learned while I uploaded those 100 videos on YouTube. Well, let's start from the beginning. I am an introvert, and as an introvert, it's a very difficult thing for me to go and get into the public and speak about specific issues. But at the same time, I really feel the need to share all my expertise and my knowledge with people because I know that this helps them. It helps you achieve your goals and you feel that you have a better chance in making your goals your reality and actually create a better life for you. And this is my purpose of my profession, of purpose of life, my philosophy, helping people as much as I can with my profession, with my work to achieve their goals. So, being an introvert, that wasn't much helpful to put out the words, put out the expertise and share with all of you all those news and all those tips and strategies and know-how and techniques and hacks I have about success coaching. So I had to circumvent my introversion and I had to find a way to leave it behind and start talking into the public with the goal to spreading out the word about specific tangible solutions about success coaching. YouTube helped me to do that. So the first step of my challenge is to upload 100 videos about specific techniques, hacks, strategies, ideas, perspectives, options that I have on my sleeve to help you people about achieving your own goals, succeeding your professional career goals, but at the same time doing it while you create a beautiful life for you, a good level of well-being. So, the aims of this challenge were three. First, present those principles of success coaching to you. Second, provide all those hacks and all this type of information for those of you who are eager to start building your success step by step in order to achieve specific high-end goals for your business setup or for your career. And the third was, of course, to see who is going to win, me or my introvert nature. So we've got a winner. I'm the one. Thank you. So I won this introversion for the moment. Next challenge is 500 videos. So we're going to celebrate the next 200 and then the next 300 and then the next 400 and so on. And let's see what are the most important things I've learned while I was creating and uploading those videos. And it's very important because actually this challenge is on its own a goal, a specific business goal. It had a plan, a blueprint, action steps, and that's why it succeeded. So the first thing I found out is the more you practice, the better. If you can see my first videos on this channel, you're going to understand that I'm always doing I don't know, all right. So this is reduced by the time, and I feel more at ease with the camera. It's better for me, so I can speak better, I can think better, it's easier. So while whatever you do, whatever you want to achieve, practice more, you're getting better, no fail on that. At the same time, I was afraid that I will have only to say the few 5 ideas I had in my mind, and then, oops, that was it. It will finish, no more ideas. But guess what? The second thing I've learned is that the more material I am creating, the more new ideas come into my mind. Because behind all those videos, actually, there is a whole mechanism of preparation. I'm interested in learning new things. I read a lot of books, read a lot of sites. I work with my clients at the same time. I note down things that they work with them, ideas that they are produced during our sessions. I wrote them down. I wrote the topics. I wrote the most important questions. I create Q&As that they actually later are transformed into videos. So the more I create of those videos, the more new ideas come into fruition. And that's in general what comes when you work on a topic. You have more and more and more ideas. They keep coming. Okay, the flow is open. The third thing is that I actually became more daring to express myself and to feel at ease with the camera, which is wonderful. And at the same time, as a fourth point, is that I felt more committed. The more videos I was making, the more eager I was to stick with the project and keep it and making it work and happen. So no procrastinating, no, maybe later thoughts. But I said, no, today I will make 5 videos, 6 videos, and I'm going to prepare them and download them. I actually upload them. I actually made a system in order to put them on air and make this system work on a regular basis. Then that means the fifth point I realized, because of what I've just said, is that I became more resilient on my program and I became more determined to make it work. Yes. Okay, so when you work with something, when you see that it starts producing results, when you start seeing that it works with you, you want to keep it going, keep it happening. At the same time, the feedback I received from people and watching the videos was like a superfood for me. Good ideas, new ideas, things to improve. It was fantastic. Also, I've realized that more people were interested on my programs and my courses simply because they watched this video, and it's exactly actually one of the goals, to make you people get interested in success coaching and ask for specific help in order to achieve your own goals. And this is working, and I'm really satisfied about that. Also, that's the next step. The next point, the 8th, is that I feel a great sense of gratification. Things that I work for, they give me results, and I feel this rewarding feeling that, look, it brings results, it brings fruits, and it's doing that, and I'm feeling well about it. So this creates a new loop of motivation to keep me going. Another thing is that it helps developing my own feeling of authenticity, my own style of explaining things, that it's better for you to understand. If a person is authentic, if a person feels express themselves on their own, well, it's easier for you to understand them. It's easier for one person to go closer to another person when you feel that this is the authentic self of the other. Authentic selves are appealing, and that's why you follow them. The 10th point I want to tell you and I want to share with you is that those YouTube videos provide great traffic to my own website with all the information about my success coaching, my activities, and my program. And the last but not least is that actually what I managed to do is put the value I wanted about all my know-how for all the creating coaching ideas I have on the community, and that's you. So if you have an idea, if you want to put it out, if you want it to work, YouTube is a great space. And also don't forget that if you want to have a goal that you want it to be achieved, you can always ask your success coach, and that's me, Coach Panagiota, and ask me to work together and make your own goal be a success, your own success for your own life and prosperity.